So why do I have the Cricut die cutter? The Cricut Maker posted a video a couple days ago on the unboxing of it, and I actually had to delete a comment on my channel because of its content. We're going to talk about that coming up. I'm Roger, welcome to the shop, and the topic of this is why do I have a Cricut die cutter? Well, why did I obtain one? I want to make some decals, I want to make some signs. No, I'm not going to be in the craft business. That's not what I obtained it for. But one of the comments I had on the video I did on the unboxing, and I did have to delete it because of the content, because it got pretty bad. But it led off with, why do you have that? That's for girls. Or are you gay? Well, if they mean by gay, am I happy? Yeah, I'm happy. But the reference to my preferences is not needed there. It's not appropriate. I don't think that Cricut Maker is just for girls or women. I mean, I'm sure men use them. I mean, there's lots of uses for it. I'm not going to be making finger puppets and stuff like that. I'm going to be making signs and decals for some equipment and that type of thing. And that's why I have a die cutter. By the same token, you know, I'm standing here in front of my table saw. Granted, there's a piece of cardboard on top of it. But women use table saws. It's not just for guys. So, you know, the gender thing doesn't need to play into this. And that comment was then followed by a political statement about which party I must be affiliated with, and I'm not going to go into that. My channel is not for politics. If there's anything that gets posted that has to do with politics, it will get deleted, because this is not a forum for politics. If you want to discuss politics, take it elsewhere. If you want to discuss what is appropriate for what gender or preferences, take it elsewhere. That's it. Never really intended on having to make a video like this, but I wanted to kind of put it out there that I have the Cricut Maker to do die cutting and make some decals and signs and that type of thing. And I may make some obnoxious t-shirts, but I don't feel that that is a girly thing or a feminine thing, or it should be restricted just for girls and women. There's no reason that men can't do this, and I got a feeling that the guy that put this up was probably living in his mom's basement somewhere. Yeah, okay. We'll leave it at that. Got something out of this, or you kind of understand, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Of course, always looking for subscribers. Next to the subscribe button's a little bell. Click that bell, you'll be notified when I post another video. And hopefully it'll be about a project and not something like this. Thanks for watching.